It's nitrous, motherfuckers.
Afternoon, YouTube. Get hyped, get excited, do some cartwheels, do some jumping jacks. We're putting a K series engine in the EG hatch. You guys excited?
I want to see you excited.
Yo, I'm fucking excited.
You guys come check out the lines that I did.
What?
Come check out this one.
Yo, you already know. No, you already know he's lying because you know he didn't do that shit.
What tap did you use on that?
1/8 inch.
1/8 inch tap.
Definitely not.
Yo, check out these nitrous lines, huh?
Nah, Jerry did a good job.
Jared killed it. Fogger, nitrous foggers underneath. How big of a shot?
I'm not telling you guys. I'm gonna tell Jamie and be like, yo, don't tell the dudes what we're doing. Just send it.
Just know if a rod comes out the block, it is, I'm not responsible. It is what it is. Initially, we're supposed to put 150 shot in here. That's what's supposed to go in here. 150 shot, stock block, built head, carbon synchro trans. I think it's gonna hold up pretty good. Anything over 400, you can kiss those rods goodbye.
Oh.
Yes. Wanna make a bet?
Yo, we had some kid tuning here, like, what was it, last year? Didn't he have like a stock, he had a head package, but a stock bottom end? That should make almost 500, no?
Yeah, but where's that kid now? I didn't see him back here in the dyno.
Makes up the dyno.
It don't matter, huh?
If he drives it, we know that's just chucking rods.
Yeah. He's definitely sending some type of rod out of this car. That's why he's not gonna drive this. So today's plan, we're gonna drop the engine in the car. Jared got the mounts drilled out. We got the rear quarter panel windows put in. We got both sides on. We couldn't put the windshield in because we didn't have the molding here. So I got the moldings coming from Honda. So I think he's gonna come back here tomorrow or the day after. Full car's undercoated. I got the door panels today from Mayhem. Gonna put the interior back together in a few days. But today's plan is to put the complete engine in. This shit was a nightmare. I didn't get the footage of it. Jared took this whole shit apart. Got everything cleaned up, put new seals. Still gotta put the VTEC Sonoid gasket on. But we'll put that back in the car. But I think we're almost ready to put this engine in today, right? Hopefully.
Yeah.
I put
We could put it in now, but we don't have any brake lines, so I don't know if I want to make my life harder yet.
I said just drop it in, bro.
Of course you do.
Yeah, let's just send it, right? Send it? I'm with it. Let's check out the engine bay. So we got one mount on, hybrid racing. We're not gonna put are we putting the rack up first or no?
Doesn't really make a difference, honestly. I could do it either way.
So this is the engine bay right now. We're gonna put the rack up after. We still gotta put the control arms together. Got K-tuned control arms. We even got the back half K-tuned. We got all of them compliance. So this thing looking better than it did a couple days ago.
Definitely. I'm glad that this is like a whole already. It looks good.
You guys remember we had the street manifold on, so now we got the Ultra Race with no spacer, nitrous lines connected, injectors are in, 90mm K-tuned throttle body, mag blue. This is a mag blue, right? Mag blue valve cover.
You know what's gonna be the best part? It's gonna be reliable. It's got a B series TPS of this motherfucker.
I don't know. The new K series TPS has been all right. Thing looks really good. Speed Factory hardware on the valve cover.
Got a K24A block. I didn't even know that.
K24A, K20. You still blow shit up.
Yeah, I'm still blowing this motherfucker up.
Nah. Drop in the comments if you guys want him to drive. A lot of people, they said they want to see J-Rock drive recently.
I'm with that.
So I think maybe we should let J-Rock drive this car.
Change the jets in.
You can change the jets, huh? So
If that's the case, I'll put a single cam back in it.
Drop in the comments who you guys want to see to drive first test drive. Me, J-Rock, or my brother. If J-Rock drives, I feel like the trainee's going. If my brother drives, full send, rods out the block. If I drive, this shit's coming back in one piece.
If he drives, everything's going. He's gonna leave the trans on the ground.
You're gonna need a new shell after. Well, hopefully in the next clip, we're dropping this engine in. It's official. We got a K-swap in the EG. Yo, real quick, where's my brother at?
I don't know.
He's nowhere.
You know what's gonna happen though?
What's gonna happen?
In the next clip, he's gonna be like, yeah, so I just installed this motor
by himself.
I see firsthand. He ain't nowhere to be found.
Yeah. K-swap looking good in here. So we got the passenger and driver's mount on. We are gonna install the subframe, rack, tie rods, probably later today, if not tomorrow. But the engine's in, complete. We're gonna put the alternator, AC delete kit, starter. Radiator's probably gonna be last, and same thing with the header. We still gotta do a bunch of wiring. Windshield guy will probably be here tomorrow. So still a lot left to do, but the good thing is the engine is off the floor. So. What do you think, bro?
Wiring. What are we doing for wiring?
We got K-tuned harness, baby.
No, you gotta
talk about that.
I'm talking about this bird's nest right here. What are we gonna do with that?
Oh, you're gonna do what you do best, Bluetooth.
Bluetooth?
Bluetooth. I mean, it looks like it looks.
Lights, right? It's kind of a race car, right?
He already robbed you guys for back seats, right? And I seen.
Appreciate.
I read the comments. Everyone in the comments sided with you.
You see?
Everybody in the comments. I think there was probably like 2 people that said they wanted seats, but everybody was like, "I'm with J-Rock. Fuck that bracket." I was like, damn.
You took care of that shit.
Oh, you did. You definitely took care of it. What's the next plan? What's the plan for the car for the rest of the day?
Just stupid little things. Probably gonna put the prop valve in and do the brake lines before I get too crazy with putting the subframe and stuff. And I'll probably get the subframe in.
It's a lot left. I think this was the easiest part of the job, is putting the engine in.
It looks like it's done, right?
It looks like it.
The worst part is coming.
Booster, clutch master, throttle cable, heater hoses, wiring,
Can we do
radiator.
Bluetooth heater hoses?
See, he's trying to rob you out for heat. I'm looking out for y'all that's like 50, 40 degree weather.
Who wants heat or who wants a clean ass bay? Because that shit makes the biggest difference. Heater hoses?
I'm not even gonna lie to you, right? 80% of the comments want AC, and I'm like, in the next build, like we should build a turbo AC car that makes like 800 wheel. That's like my goal. Yo, you put this engine in, right? All right, where'd you go, bro? Where'd you?
Lunch.
Oh, he was at lunch.
He got caught out.
Yeah, he got caught out. Cause let me tell ya, if I wasn't recording just now, he would have been like, he put this engine in. So we're gonna finish all this stuff. We gotta clean up trailing arms. We got a whole bunch of stuff left to do. The subframe's already painted. Look at that thing. No more white. So we're gonna put that rack on the subframe. Tie rod's already on.
Back to no heat. So
I try to get away from that.
I see. That's why I'm still here. I'm still lingering. So what I'm thinking is, right, 200 shot or 150 shot of nitrous, right? Gets your adrenaline, gets your blood flowing. You don't need no heat. You don't need heat. You just fucking, you know?
How about you give them no heat and AC?
No AC, you got the windows down, 150 shot. Fucking air through the air, let's go.
Nah, we not with this. I'm with heat, bro. It's almost wintertime. We got like 3 months. So we're gonna put heat in the car, no AC, no back seats. What up, boys? I cannot make this shit up, I promise you. In the last clip, you guys probably seen the engine was in the car. It's 6:27 now. Hold on, let me put my phone back. 6:27 now, after hours. Jarek's not here, just me and my brother. We had to pull the engine back out of the car. I'm not even joking, this is dead serious. We had to pull the engine back out of the car. And originally, this engine was supposed to be all motor, so we left the clutch in it, right? Left the fucking...
J-Rock, when you see this, you're fucking lucky you left.
Imagine J-Rock, so the engine was in earlier, and if we'd have put this shit together, the trans would have 100% have to come down because 400 horsepower, that car, the clutch in there is a stage 5 comp. 400 horse, that shit probably would have been slipping or would have lasted like 4 passes. So any of you guys making over 400 horsepower, either put a single, super single in your car or a twin disc clutch. We pulled the engine back out of the car. Who pulled it out?
Let me guess. You forgot something, huh?
Damn, J-Rock been on. J-Rock, if you're watching this, bro, it was a rear main seal, and then I don't know what happened after. Injectors, fuel pump, valve lash.
This one's gotta be the ultimate one, though.
J-Rock would have been cussing us all out, having to take this tranny back down, because we took the tranny back down on the EM1 to change the rear main seal. So imagine the clutch would have been slipping on the dyno. This car would have been parked for a month. So now we have to put a twin disc clutch in the car, which I already have. So we're gonna take the clutch kit back out of there, and now we have no engine in the car.
If you notice, most of the projects go right 2 steps, well no, 1 step forward, 2 steps back, every single time. But it is what it is. I'm gonna put the clutch in, put the motor back in, get the subframe up tomorrow, and I'll be running by the end of the week.
Yeah, J-Rock, if you're watching this, bro, I love you, bro.